What is that? To pray without ceasing. They tell you someone encourages you to go hard. When you come here to pray, someone tells you pray, get a courage, do not stop, don't give up. It does not only stop here, but also at home. Make it a command that you should always do. You should always pray. Make it a command that whenever you continue in prayer, there are things that God is going to do for you as He draws Himself closer to you. The Bible says when you get closer to me, I also get closer to you. This prayer draws us closer to God. You will have needs. It is God who has needs. But you have to go closer to Him so that you get whatever you want from Him. Praying without ceasing. Praying without ceasing. Without ceasing. You cannot say, I'm tired of eating. You will still feel hungry and go back home and eat. Pray always without ceasing.